Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. This is another day one video to the next house I've purchased. This video represents a culmination of all 10 videos you've seen up until this point. This light renovation took about 3 months, and the reason I purchased this house was it sat on land that used to be my family, so I was buying it back. I got a mortgage on this house with a payment of $856 and now rent the house for $1,000, covering the payment. The house sits on 14.5 acres of the original 30 acres that was sold in 1967. And I've got various plans for this land, including setting up a workshop, a tiny house, and some other things that I think could be fun for my family in the future. If the video leaves you wondering anything, be sure to check the description as well as the comments below, where I'll clear up as many questions, thoughts, concerns that people may have. Be sure to check out my ebook. The link is in the description below. It's available on Amazon or as a PDF directly off my website. Enjoy the video. This house, I'm going to rent it out using a rental management company. They charge 10% of whatever you rent the house for. This house will rent for about $1,000. That's pretty much it. For me, this project is at an end. I'm really happy sort of with the way the whole thing went. This was nothing compared to the other houses I've renovated. It was painting the house, it was upgrading an electric, kind of some plumbing changes, appliances, a bunch of little small stuff. It wasn't this major rebuild. I don't think I cut a single board. You know, I didn't have to do any kind of framing or anything or drywall, or it was a nice house. It just needed some things tightened up and getting it back into shape. So that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in a future video.
You